Good morning. This is Karen Spar, Executive Vice President of the Southport Oak Island Area Chamber of Commerce. And today on Faces of Commerce, we're with Heather with ServPro. Hello, Heather.
Hi, thank you for having me.
Yeah. Tell us a little bit about ServPro.
So ServPro, we specialize in fire, water restoration, and mold remediation. We also offer duct cleanings, carpet cleanings. So we do a variety of services as well.
That's great. And I don't know if you noticed this, but this car is really quite green. And that is the ServPro green, right?
Yes.
Tell us a little bit about the emergency planning.
So we have a no-cost assessment that we can do for businesses. We put it together in a portfolio for you. We also have it available on an app, which comes handy if we ever have anything like Florence come through where you may be out of town and need to get that issue taken care of quickly. So we can make it as detailed as you would like, or we can just make it simple. This can have a list of the plumber you prefer, the roofer, and also lets employees know the chain of command for work authorization. So if you're not there at the business, you can get things happening to mitigate the problem quicker.
So it's really just, it takes a few minutes, I'm sure, to fill out.
And with the online services and stuff, we can do a lot of research on our end. So it's even shorter than you would even think. It's just some pictures I have to grab when I come on the business. And then we do the rest. We put it together for you. We give you the folder, and then we send you the link for the app. That way you can have access, and if you want to have it on your computers at the office or your phone, it's available to you.
Because you don't want to be thinking about that stuff when the emergency actually happens.
No, because then you're creating chaos and, can prolong getting someone on site to take care of that issue. So if you have the phone numbers available, you can start that process right away, which can save you money along the road. And in business, you want to get back to work as quickly as possible, and sometimes getting those people on hand to do that can get you quicker.
That sounds great. Where do they call to sign up, or what do you suggest people do to?
So they can call my cell phone directly. It's 910-465-0301, or can call our office and they can reach out to me, 910-762-8180.
So Heather, how did you get into this business?
I was a wedding coordinator before this, so I did a different kind of chaos.
So yes, that's true, isn't it?
But yes, Wesley Haynes, we're longtime friends. He kept bugging me to come on, so I joined the crew. Been with them for 3 years.
That's great. And Wesley is?
Wesley is our account manager for New Hanover franchise.
Okay, great. And you cover which counties?
So we, Davis Thompson is the owner, and we cover Pender, Onslow, New Hanover, Brunswick, and Columbus. I am the account manager for Brunswick and Columbus County.
That's great. So if you want somebody to manage your chaos, give Heather a call. Again, your phone number?
910-762-8180.
Or if you see this cute little car running around town, I mean, it is a cute
Give me a
one.
honk.
Give her a honk, and she'll take care of you. Again, that's the emergency ready profile with ServPro of Brunswick, South Columbus,
New Hanover, Pender, and Onslow.
You got a lot of coverage there.
Yes, we grew in February, so we added 2 more counties.
That's great. So give them a call or go to their website, which is?
ServPro of Brunswick and South Columbus Counties.com.
Great. Thank you, Heather.
Thank you.